There are some must-read books in personal finances that will help you develop good monetary habits. Taking time to read good books can help you improve your economics so you can become more financially literate and, more importantly, increase your financial freedom. There are a wide range of personal finance books that can help you apply better philosophy to your finance, and one of them is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So let me take you through 5 of the most important lessons in Rich Dad, Poor Dad. But before that, if you are new here, please subscribe for more educative videos just like this one. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. The first step to achieving success is knowing the difference between assets and liabilities. Robert, in simple ways, defines assets as something which puts money in your pocket, and liabilities as something which takes money out of your pocket. So, why is knowing the difference between two words add up to your financial life? The point here is the moment you understand the difference between assets and liabilities, you begin to spend more money on assets which will contribute to your financial freedom. In the book, Robert explains how the rich acquire assets that generate money for them, while the poor and middle class acquire liabilities that makes them more poorer. The lesson here for young people is that don't spend your youthful days chasing liabilities since it will make you more poorer, but spend more money on assets to generate wealth in the long run. The rich don't work for money. What do I mean by the rich don't work for money? I mean the rich don't get paid for their hard work, but rather they are paid for their smart work. Okay, let me break it down further. You have probably seen many entertainers, singers and players. Most of them are income earners, and most of them go broke after their performance or limelight days are over. In fact, they earn a lot but for a limited time. If you are working for money, you will become a high income earner at best, but that won't make you rich. And if you are rich, then you will have an income of $1 million per year without doing any effort. Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, says if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you work until you die. So you need to create a system of passive income that will generate huge amount of wealth and assets that will make you a truly successful person. You see, when you are income earner, that means you are being paid for your time, so you are trading your time for money, and this is a risky game if you want to be successful. The internet has made it easy to set up passive income flow, so try to set up an income stream that will generate wealth. Maybe you don't know what passive income flows to set up. That is why I made a video about 6 passive income ideas that you can try that will generate another source of income in the shortest possible time. Make sure you check that video out. It is in the description box and the comment section as well. Buy luxury last, not first. Due to what I call social media bias, day in day out you see people in an expensive clothing, car, or even private jet. So in order to keep up with the Joneses, the poor and middle class people like myself tend to buy luxury first, immediately after receiving their paychecks. Most of my working mates rush to the mall to buy expensive clothing, smartphones, and many other liabilities immediately after receiving their salary. You see, the disturbing truth behind this is that most of us buy unnecessary things just to impress people, and this is the habit that will make us successful. As a young person, you need to be aware that chasing the latest phones, clothing, and many other luxuries will only make you look rich, but in actual sense you are not. And if care is not taken, it will result into lifestyle inflation. So when we invest our savings intelligently and apply lots of compounding, within a few years we will see our desired wealth grow. Always know that the wealthy mindset saves now and spend later, while the poor and middle class mindset spend now and saves later. The golden rule in personal finance is pay yourself first. This means when you receive your paycheck or salary at the end of the month, you should dedicate 10 to 20% of your income into your savings account before you even spend on daily expenses like bill payments, paying of debt, many others like foodstuffs. The advantage of paying yourself first is that you build adequate wealth and secure your future. This saving mostly creates a shield against financial emergencies such as car breakdown, financial crisis, and unexpected medical expenses. You see, when you spend without savings, you experience a lot of stress because one catastrophe can send you to zero. Read more. Just like eating a balanced diet every day keeps you healthy and fit, reading books makes your mind sharp and makes you more skillful and knowledgeable. Successful people feed their mind every day by reading good books. You see, the more you read and learn, the more you expand your ideas with regard to the topics you may know little of. The poor spend most of their time watching TV and reality shows, but the rich always read in order to expand their horizon. With this, Mark Twain said, "The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read." Start reading good books today and expand your ideas. Check out my top 9 books I recommend you read in your lifetime. Links in the description box and the comment section as well. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you like this video, and until then, au revoir mes amis.